Hi, this is Usman, your IELTS instructor. As you know, I'm sharing only those cue cards with you which are highly predicted for the months of March, April, and May. In this cue card, which you can see on your screen, you have to talk about a conversation which you had with a very old person. In this cue card, you have to tell them who the person was, where you met him, and what did you discuss with him, and what do you feel about that experience. So these are the cues which are going to be explained by you in your answer. So before I answer this cue card, if you want to prepare yourself for IELTS test from the comfort of your home, you can contact me as I am conducting online IELTS classes. One thing more, if you have not followed me yet, press the follow button. Let's answer this cue card. For answering this cue card, you need to follow a structure, just like an essay, in which you give your answer in a proper structure. Three elements are important for this structure. First, you have to give them introduction, middle part, and conclusion. In introduction, you introduce your uh, cue card topic, and in middle part, you are going to discuss all these cues which are given in the cue card. And in conclusion, you need to sum up your or close up your answer. This part is the second part of IELTS speaking. And in this part, the examiner does not ask any question from you. You are given 1 minute to prepare and 1 to 2 minutes to speak about it. So if you want to get higher bands, you need to perform well in this part. Let's answer this cue card. First, you need to introduce your topic. For example, for this cue card, you can introduce the topic. Last Sunday, I met a very old person in my uncle's home. This is how you can introduce. For example, you told them that you have met a person who was very old person and that meeting held in your uncle's home. So you have addressed second cue. You tell him who the person was. You can say that that old person was the friend of my grandfather. So this is how you can address two cues. Now you have to explain third and fourth cue in 1 or 2 minutes. You need to tell them what conversation you had with him. For example, you can take any topic for your answer. The easiest way to answer cue card is to involve your personal experience. So I will try to describe my personal experience in this cue card. Actually, I belong to a village in Sialkot, district of Punjab. And in 1947, our area saw a partition between India and Pakistan. That very old person was the eyewitness to whatever happened post pre-partition in our area. My meeting with him gave me a chance to discuss aftermath of partition of Punjab. He had seen those days, and his memory was very vivid and clear. He told me that there was no bloodshed in our area. The Hindu minority of our area knew in advance the imminent partition, so they migrated from our area to India in advance. He also explained the social norms during that days. He told me about some prominent Hindu personalities of our area, and he also told me that people lived in harmony and peace during the British Raj. In the end, I can say that my meeting with him was very informative, and I came to know about a lot of many things from him. So this is how you can handle this cue card. I'm sure you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to follow me. Stay connected for learning more. Thank you.